Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. In this video, I will be presenting about the article that called Don't Worry, It's Normal. Before I present it, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Safi Oktardianti. Okay, let's start the presentation. In this article, I have already summarized 8 points about the disease that you can experience as you get older and what you can do about it. Next slide, please. Okay, the first point is get sprung leak. Everybody loves to laugh. Stress urinary incontinence is pretty common and people can leak when they laugh, cough, or sneeze. Dr. Alan once said the nerves and structures that hold things in place deteriorate. Pelvic muscle tears suffered during childbirth increases risk in women, while prostate surgery increases risk in a man. To resolve this, you need to learn to squeeze. Contract your pelvic muscle as if stopping your urine midstream. Do this for 10 seconds, 10 contraction, 10 times a day to strengthen your urinary sphincter muscle. And also you need to writing down what you eat and drink and when you go to the toilet. It will help your doctor determine whether you have stress incontinence or urge incontinence. The second one is uh, breath become grass. Most breath odor is breath on the back of your tongue. Your tongue is like a shake carpet, and bacteria hide between the bumps. Plus, as we age, we take more medication. Many cause dry mouth, which exacerbates bad breath. To resolve this, you need to clean your tongue with a smooth edge tongue scraper. You also need a get check to rule out tooth decay and gum disease, or even an underlying health problem such as chronic sinus infection or kidney disease. The third point is damaging toenails. Cracked, brittle, discolored, and thick nails from a fungal infection are embarrassing, especially if you like open-toed shoes. Fungus feeds on the nail and damage it. Age is the biggest risk factor, according to a paper published in PLOS Pathogens. People with diabetes, a condition that limits circulation, are susceptible. You need to do topical solution treatments such as Jublia or Caridine. You also need to laser treatment because it works in 80% of cases. If your nails change markedly, be sure to visit a doctor. Discoloration can be the result of skin cancer. The third point is tend to urinate frequently. If you have ever lost control of your bowels before getting to the toilet, don't panic. You have plenty of company that affects more than 16% of people over 70. You need to do squeezing exercise that help with urinary problems can also strengthen your anal sphincter and it giving you extra time to get where you are going. If you have some serious problem, as soon as possible to get to the toilet. Next slide, please. Okay, dark spot. Most dark spots caused by the sun aren't dangerous, but dermatologists will identify changing patterns that can signal problems. About 14% of middle-aged people have rays, such as your face, hands, and forearms. Solution for this issue, you need to use a skin lightening cream, and you need to see a dermatologist if it is getting serious, and they can zap them with a liquid nitrogen or a laser. The sixth point is nose problems. Although the bones in our faces stop stop growing around 15, the cartilage in our noses and ears continue to stretch. At middle age, the bones and fat in our cheeks sink inward, making our noses more pronounced. Gravity pulls in your earlobes too, especially if you have spent years wearing heavy earring. Solution for this issue: the first thing you need to applying sunscreen to your nose and ears daily. It will help stave off age-related damage that makes skin droopy, but cosmetic surgery is the only way to shrink your nose or ears. The second thing you need to do is see a doctor and do surgery or laser treatment, and it will help. The seventh point is flatulence. When the bacteria in your gut ferment food in your colon, gases such as hydrogen and carbon dioxide are released, causing even healthy people to pass gas up to 20 times a day. Some develop trouble digesting lactose. An over-the-counter anti-gas medicine with simeticone can break up. Solution for this issue, the first point is swallow probiotics. When taken consistently, these good bacteria can help calm gas, bloating, and other components of irritable bowel syndrome. Another solution is avoid consuming a lot of sugar-free sweet and gums containing sugar alcohol, such as sorbitol, mannitol, and xylitol. The last point is bad hearing. Many people suffer nearly half of people age 60 until 60. While all those rock concert didn't help, there are other contributors including aging, genetics, smoking, a poor diet, and diabetes. Solution for this issue, you need should get a hearing aid if you get to the doctor within hours. Next slide, please. The next slide will tell you about how this issue relate with current life. I think till nowadays people still struggle with this illness because every year every people will get older. Increasing age is often associated with a number of diseases. Aging age is one risk factor that cannot be ignored. When people get older, there are several symptoms that arise such as loss of rings, loss of hearing, bad breath, dark spots, and so on. This is perfectly normal until now. Nowadays, there are example parents around our society. Older people around 60, 70, 80 years of age often experience bad hearing, bad breath, dark spot, tend to urinate, flatulence, and so on. However, these changes are normal due to decreased bodily function in old age. Next slide, please. Okay. Uh, The next slide is about my opinion. Based on this article, we know that everyone can experience decreasing body function that can cause some several symptoms of aging. In my opinion, the purpose of this article is quite clear: to inform the general public about what to do if these symptoms occur to them. However, there are things as less clear as the cause of the symptoms. They also quote some statements from experts that can make this article more trusted. Okay, that's it for my presentation. I will open question and answer session. So to any one of you wants to ask a question, time is yours.
Can I please?
Yes.
Okay. I want to ask about what must we do before entering old age so as not to be infected with an illness like that found in the article.
Okay. Thanks for the question. What must we do before entering old age so as not to be infected with an illness like that found in the article, right? There are several tips that you can follow to avoid disease in old age. The first is often time to do exercise. Then the next step, you need to if the body feels tired, get some rest immediately. You also need to get enough sleep. uh you also need to always make time to breakfast, drink a lot of mineral water, and have a healthy food. Did I answer your question, Putri?
Okay, thank you, Silpi.
Okay.
Okay. So my question is, what should you do when you have some dark spots?
Okay, thank you, Halimat, for your question. What should you do when you have some dark spot? uh I have several tips. What should you do when we have some dark spot? The first is use a sunscreen with an SPF at of at least 30 every day, even when the sun is not bright. The next is wear a wide brim hat and sunglasses to protect that skin further. The next is stress skin conditions such as acne, which may lead to inflammation. The last step is avoid the sun between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. when it tends to be strongest. Did I answer your question, Halimah?
Yes, thank you.
Last question,
Okay.
please, Anissa.
Last question. Okay, Anissa.
Uh, is there any solution other than the ones that you've already mentioned to avoid bad breath? Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the question. Uh, to reduce or avoid bad breath, you need to brush your teeth after you eat, floss at least once a day, clean dentures or dental appliances, and then avoid dry mouth and regularly get a new toothbrush. Did I answer your question, Anissa?
Okay, thank you, Selfie.
Okay, thank you so much for all of your question. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.